Document expiration in DocuSign is a crucial security and compliance feature that allows you to set a deadline for signing. After this deadline passes, the document becomes invalid, preventing risks associated with indefinitely open agreements. This helps mitigate legal liabilities and ensures timely completion of important contracts. You can configure expiration settings directly in DocuSign's Signing Settings page. This includes setting the expiration date and enabling reminders to ensure signers are notified before the deadline. The need for document expiration has evolved alongside e-signature technology. From early legislation like the e-Sign Act to modern AI-driven features, expiration ensures secure and compliant digital workflows. In summary, DocuSign document expiration sets clear deadlines for signing, protecting your organization from security risks and compliance issues. As the deadline approaches, reminders can be configured to prompt action. This feature is essential for modern digital document management. To set an expiration, access the envelope you are creating or modifying in DocuSign. Navigate to Advanced Options or similar settings during the sending process. Specify the expiration date and time up to 365 days in the future. Consider enabling warnings to notify signers before the expiration date approaches. DocuSign's adaptive expiration dynamically adjusts dates based on document type, signer engagement, and regional rules. Reminders in DocuSign are automated notifications sent to signers before the document's expiration date. These help ensure timely completion of signing processes. To configure reminders, set intervals such as every 3 days, and customize the reminder messages to fit your needs. Auto reminders usually begin after a delay, for example, 2 days after the document is initially sent. DocuSign now supports multi-channel notifications, including email, SMS, and in-app push notifications to reach signers through their preferred method. Expiration applies to the entire envelope, not individual fields. This ensures consistency across all document elements. Signers receive a clear message when an envelope expires, preventing further access. This protects both parties from unauthorized actions. All expiration events are logged in the DocuSign Certificate of Completion for audit trails. This provides tamper-proof records for legal purposes. Users can set custom expiration actions like auto-voiding or triggering follow-up workflows. This automates responses to expired envelopes. Integration is available with Microsoft Teams in 2025 to control expirations in collaborative settings. This enhances workflow efficiency. Hospitals use DocuSign expiration features to manage patient consent forms effectively. By setting 7-day expirations with daily reminders, they ensure HIPAA compliance and prevent outdated consents from being signed. In real estate, firms apply 30-day expirations to offer letters with weekly reminders. If signers delay, reminders can escalate to phone calls through CRM integration, helping close deals faster. Startups benefit from expiring term sheets after 14 days, with auto-voiding if reminders are ignored. This helps streamline fundraising by preventing prolonged negotiations. Gartner analysts state expiration settings are now a baseline for e-signature platforms, reducing exposure to unsigned liabilities by up to 50%. Forrester highlights that reminders increase completion rates by 35% for time-sensitive documents. DocuSign's data shows 70% of enterprise users enable expiration, and reminders speed up envelope completion by 28%. DocuSign supports expiration for all envelope types with seamless integration across web, mobile, and API interfaces. Compliance with global standards like GDPR and CCPA ensures that expired documents are permanently sealed or deleted, preventing unauthorized access. DocuSign employs zero-trust security models, where documents automatically expire if unusual access patterns are detected. This is achieved through anomaly detection algorithms that monitor for suspicious activity. Watch how a document's expiration timer counts down, automatically sealing it when time runs out. This comprehensive approach ensures robust document security and regulatory compliance.